In the vast hierarchy of the cosmos, there are objects so extreme that they challenge the very meaning of matter. Among them, neutron stars stand apart, not for their size, but for their density, their gravity, and the unimaginable conditions locked within their structure. Born from the violent deaths of massive stars, neutron stars compress more mass than the Sun into a sphere barely 20 kilometers across. They are not merely remnants of stellar collapse. They are laboratories of physics pushed beyond every familiar limit. And at the boundary between the known and the unknowable lies one of their most extraordinary features, the neutron star crust. At first glance, the word crust suggests something thin and fragile, a brittle shell surrounding a deeper interior. But on a neutron star, the crust is anything but fragile. It is the strongest known form of matter in the universe, capable of withstanding stresses billions of times greater than any material found on Earth. It is a realm where atoms are crushed, electrons roam freely, and nuclei arrange themselves into structures that defy intuition. The story of the neutron star crust begins with gravity. Gravity so intense that it reshapes matter itself. On Earth, gravity gently pulls objects downward. On a neutron star, gravity is relentless. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. Under this force, ordinary atomic structure collapses. Atoms are stripped of their identities, and matter is reorganized into something far more compact and exotic. The outermost layer of the crust resembles a distorted version of familiar matter. Here, nuclei still exist, arranged in a crystalline lattice, immersed in a sea of free electrons. But these nuclei are not the stable atoms we know. They are neutron-rich, packed with far more neutrons than protons, forced into this configuration by crushing pressure. Even at this surface level, conditions are already beyond anything achievable in terrestrial laboratories. As one descends deeper into the crust, the pressure increases dramatically. Gravity compresses matter to the point where electrons are forced into atomic nuclei, converting protons into neutrons. The nuclei grow heavier, more neutron-rich, and increasingly unstable by earthly standards. The lattice becomes denser, stronger, and more rigid than any known solid. This is where the neutron star crust earns its reputation as unbreakable matter. Calculations suggest that the crust can support mountains, though calling them mountains is misleading. These features would rise only millimeters above the surface, yet they would contain more mass than Mount Everest. The strength required to support such structures is staggering. The crust's breaking strain is estimated to be billions of times greater than steel, diamond, or any engineered material humans have ever created. Deeper still, the crust enters a truly alien regime. At densities approaching those of atomic nuclei, matter begins to organize itself into bizarre shapes collectively known as nuclear pasta. These structures, nicknamed lasagna, spaghetti, and gnocchi, are not metaphors born of whimsy, but reflections of the geometry matter adopts under extreme pressure. Sheets, filaments, and clusters of nuclear matter stretch and merge, balancing the competing forces of nuclear attraction and electrostatic repulsion. In this region, the distinction between solid and fluid blurs. Matter behaves neither like a conventional crystal nor like a liquid. Instead, it exists in a state governed by quantum mechanics and nuclear physics, forming patterns that may influence the star's thermal conductivity, magnetic behavior, and rotational dynamics. The neutron star crust is not static. It plays an active role in the star's observable behavior. One of the most dramatic examples is the phenomenon known as a starquake. As a neutron star spins and gradually slows, stresses build within the crust. Eventually, the crust fractures, not explosively, but catastrophically on a cosmic scale. The sudden rearrangement releases vast amounts of energy, altering the star's rotation and producing bursts of radiation detectable across the galaxy. These starquakes are thought to be responsible for sudden glitches observed in pulsars, rapidly spinning neutron stars that emit beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses. A glitch is a tiny change in rotation speed, but it carries the signature of immense internal forces at work. The crust, rigid and strained, suddenly shifts, transferring angular momentum and reshaping the star's behavior. The crust also plays a critical role in neutron stars with the strongest magnetic fields in the universe, magnetars. In these objects, magnetic stresses twist and shear the crust, sometimes triggering violent outbursts that release more energy in seconds than the sun emits in years. The crust does not merely contain the magnetic field, it resists it, deforms under it, and ultimately fails in spectacular fashion. Despite its strength, the neutron star crust is not eternal. Over time, heat flows from the interior outward. Nuclear reactions continue at the boundaries between layers. The crust evolves, cools, cracks, and reforms. It is a dynamic interface between the familiar physics of matter and the exotic behavior of a neutron-rich core. Understanding the crust is not a purely academic exercise. It holds clues to some of the deepest mysteries in physics. The behavior of matter at nuclear densities cannot be fully tested on Earth. Particle accelerators can approach these conditions briefly, but only neutron stars sustain them for billions of years. The crust, accessible through observation and modeling, becomes a bridge between theory and reality. Gravitational wave astronomy has added a new dimension to this study. When neutron stars collide, their crusts interact, deform, and shatter before merging. The resulting gravitational waves carry imprints of crustal strength and composition. By decoding these signals, scientists can infer the properties of matter under conditions that would otherwise remain forever hidden. The crust also influences how neutron stars cool over time. Heat transport through its layers affects surface temperatures and X-ray emissions, allowing astronomers to probe its structure indirectly. Each observation becomes a constraint, narrowing the range of possible equations that describe ultradense matter. In a broader sense, the neutron star crust forces us to reconsider the limits of matter itself. On Earth, materials fail under stress. They bend, crack, melt, or shatter. On a neutron star, matter resists forces so extreme that they would annihilate any familiar substance. Strength, in this context, is no longer about chemical bonds or atomic lattices. It is about the fundamental interactions that bind nuclei together. The crust is a monument to compression, a testament to how the universe reshapes matter when gravity becomes dominant. It exists at the boundary where classical physics gives way to quantum behavior, where nuclear forces compete with gravitational collapse, and where the definition of a solid becomes almost meaningless. Neutron stars are often described as cosmic corpses, the remains of dead stars. But the crust tells a different story. It is not passive debris. It is active, stressed, evolving, and powerful. It stores energy, releases it, and shapes the observable universe in subtle but profound ways. In studying the neutron star crust, humanity confronts the extremes of nature not as abstractions, but as physical realities. These objects exist. They spin, they quake, they radiate, and within them lies matter stronger than anything we could ever forge. The crust of a neutron star is not merely unbreakable, it is transformative. It shows us what matter becomes when stripped of familiarity and forced into obedience by gravity. It reminds us that the universe does not favor comfort or intuition. It favors extremes. And in those extremes, hidden within the densest objects ever formed, the neutron star crust stands as a silent witness to the power of the cosmos, a place where matter reaches its ultimate limits and refuses, against all odds, to yield.